Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about which countries Venmo works in. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the main content, I want to take a moment to talk about what Venmo is. Venmo is a mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for a meal, or just send someone some money. So, which countries does Venmo work in? Unfortunately, Venmo is only available in the United States. However, there are a few other options if you're looking for a similar service. PayPal. PayPal is a global payment service that is available in many countries around the world. It's a great option if you need to send or receive money from someone in another country. TransferWise. TransferWise is a money transfer service that is also available in many countries around the world. It's a great option if you need to send money to someone in another currency. Xoom. Xoom is another money transfer service that is available in many countries around the world. It's a great option if you need to send money to someone who doesn't have a bank account. If you're looking for a mobile payment app that is available in your country, I recommend checking out the App Store or Google Play Store. There are a number of great options available, and you're sure to find one that meets your needs. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.